Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to improve on KBM Fortnite. Start by optimizing your mouse DPI and keybinds to suit quick edits and consistent flicks. Next, set up your display and polling rate to reduce input lag. Practice basic movement and build drills for at least 20 minutes per session. Break drills into aiming, editing, and building to track progress. Stay patient and review your gameplay to find small, repeatable gains. Use focused warm-ups to sharpen flicks and tracking within minutes of playing. Begin with short flick routines, then move to full tracking maps to build consistency. Pay attention to crosshair placement to shorten travel and increase hit rates in fights. Gradually increase complexity by adding movement and building targets. Track improvements by recording accuracy and reaction times, then adjust training intensity to stay challenged but not burned out. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes downtime relaxing and keeps manuals or strategy notes handy when you need a break. It's light, easy to read, and a nice change from screens after long sessions. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Train edits with repetition to lock in muscle memory and speed over time. Start slow to ensure accuracy, then increase tempo while keeping edits clean and predictable. Blend edits with instant shots so your brain links building to aiming naturally. Simulate build fights to practice sequencing and recovery under pressure. Review where mistakes happen and focus drills on those exact transitions until they feel automatic and reliable in matches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.